Hello everyone, my name is Kavita and I'm here to present my internship work on TripMapper under the guidance of internal guide Professor Kavya Ravishankar ma'am and external guide Mr. Sunil Kumar. Next, let me introduce the company which I had worked on for internship, that is Beta Technologies, and it is an IT solutions and works on software projects development. Beta Technology was started in 2012 and it is situated in Mysore Chamudipuram, and it has made a name for itself on many top service providers in Karnataka. Services includes our advanced web and mobile solutions apps and portals for fully cycle servicing that covers every aspect of app production and implementation. Advanced web for productive, engaging, and reliable web solutions for business outcomes that you deserve. And also, it provides powerful cloud-based solutions fused with creative design for private, hybrid, and public platforms. And also, Beta offers scalable end-to-end applications development and management solutions. Goal of Beta Technologies Private Limited is to deliver result-driven project management and seamless communication. Their solution need to yield benefit in internet facing corporate and hybrid environments. Next, what we did in internship. The internship involved gaining a better understanding of a project called TripMapper based on web analytics, where my job was to create an TripMapper application using Android based on web analytics. Here, the coding language was used as Java, and for front end, we have been used Android 2015, and for backend SQLite, and also we have used web applications and some of databases to develop the Android applications. And talking about the problems in the current existing system, past few years, there is a great advancement of a camera phone and digital camera to share media on web services and as well as on social media. And also users share their travel experience like photos, videos on these social media web services to discover the graphic related information and knowledge about human societies and open new opportunities provided by multimedia. In computer vision, research works most of people at single location, make rich signified from image and also recognize the image to identify where image was taken as well as image contents. This leads to some of drawbacks such as time consuming. There should be geolocation based on photos that which have been posted online, and they need to check tourist location based on photos posted, and manual identification for travel pattern is also required. Vehicle pre-booking or packages needs to be taken previously. So to overcome all these drawbacks, we have designed TripMapper application based on web application. If an user wants to go for any trip or plan to visit tourist places, based on GPS location, user will get tourist places near to him, and also vehicle if it is required for him to travel, and also admin can control places and control vehicles. And the advantages of TripMapper applications are like tourist based on geolocation, as they do not need any guidance for trip by any third party. And also here vehicle will be available near the location for the user. Here will suggest tourist places based on other users ranking or input, and it works based on ranking algorithm. Vehicle allocation system can also be done. Next, technical and non-technical skills gained during internship are technical skills are here for front end. We have used Android, and for backend SQLite, and coding language which has been used is Java. And by using Java framework, we can build an application. And to run this application, we have used MS Android 2010 and learn technologies such as Windows Form applications. It will run on desktop computers where it will not run on web browsers, because then it becomes a web application. And learn some of web applications where it eliminates the problems performance of interpreted environments and Android 2015. Application will be developed using Visual Studio. Visual Basic is a programming tool which is used for the system requirements to implement and to develop the software to improve the quality of service using routing protocol. Web-based application and web server application which will be developed on client and server side. There are two most important functional modules. That one is GPS module and another one is book trip. Whereas in GPS module, the user location is fetched using GPS location module, and whereas in book trip, tourist spots which are recommended to the user based on user location and can book trip package and can cancel if he wants. Coming to non-technical skills gained are ability to accept and apply feedback from others. Some skills related to teamwork, including the ability to negotiate with others and to recognize and appreciate diversity in a team. Work on time and complete the task in an given timely manner. To be stay focused and to be stay organized. Next, these are the snapshots of Project Trip Mapper. Firstly, we need to register. For registration, user have to give his or her name and phone number, email ID, and will enter a password to log in for further process. In login screen, here user will get login by using email ID and password created during registration. Here admin will get login using email ID and password. Next, after login, admin can control user and admin can add places, manage places and view bookings. In managing user screen, users details can be viewed by admin, whereas user will logged in by their email ID and contact number and their address, and admin can delete users that he wishes to. Next, in add places, they can view place ID, place name, state name, district name, and which country he can view the latitudinal place. In manage places, he can add place and can delete place, view booking admin, and can approve and can delete the request which he wishes to. And next, at last, in fetch list of places screen, here we suggest best tourist places will be displayed for the user with the help of GPS tracking location. With the help of GPS tracking location and rank based algorithm. Here we are using ranking based algorithm based on ranking and ratings given by other users will be taken as input and considered. Based on the highly ranked places are taken into consideration, and further it will be suggested for other users who looks for a better place for trip. And other algorithm which is used in this project is that is natural language processing, where it works on good or bad reviews. And natural language processing also includes AI techniques for speaking with an insightful framework utilizing a characteristic language. For example, like extracting a keyword and word tokenization. Next, benefits of internship. Gain knowledge on platforms such as Android 2015 and Java Framework, Windows Forms, and SQLite. Next, this is the certificate of my internship. Thank you.